Good afternoon, I'm Ben Newman. Welcome to Forexample Trading. It is the 15th of August, it's a Wednesday, and it's 5:15 UK time. Now, yesterday, ran into a bit of trouble just for being a bit adventurous with the lira, and I think it came from a bit of overconfidence that I'd made 15 grand on Monday, and I thought, well, why not? Well, it punished me for that. And I'm all about risk limitation, making sure everyone limits risk. And I went in thinking that it's huge movements, we're bound to make money, and it punished me a bit. However, no harm done. I'd taken a lot of the money that I'd earned out already. I dropped a couple of grand, but today we're doing okay again. It's been an okay day. It's never. You're not going to get as good as Monday every single day, of course. That would be amazing. But realistically, if you can have days with 1, 2, 3,000 profit a day, then you're doing very well in this. And of course, those of you that are in the trading arena and want to join the trading arena will be experiencing those sort of results as well. So I'll go through what we did. Of course, if you do want to join us, you can click the link below. There's a free chat arena where you can come in, you can arrange a call with me, I can talk you through your options. Of course, if you do want a broker that is doesn't have to adhere to the ESMA regulations that are very restrictive for retail traders, if you're starting out and you're subject to those restrictions, you're really going to struggle to make it anywhere. So this gets rid of it. Make sure that you've got generous leverage when you come into this, and of course we will make sure that we're protecting you and making sure that you are limiting the risk and making sure you're not taking unnecessary risks and silly trades. The trading arena is full of experience. Of course, we've got a course that goes with that, a 13-hour course that's in 5 parts, so it's comprehensive as well. You get one-on-one support with myself, and of course you get that dedicated signals channel as well. So everything you need to get you started, 3 months, £249 plus VAT, of course. And if you do want to join us, there's 100 spaces in that. I'm being quite selective about who I let join. I want to make sure that you are dedicated to learn, so I want to speak to you first. So if you do want to join, there's no point clicking that link to come into the free chat arena if you won't even talk to me. I want to make sure that we've got quality in that group, and I will help you to get to a state of quality trading in your own right. Okay, I guarantee I'll do that. I've done it many times before. It's what I do, and the people in that trading arena, including myself, are full of experience and wanting to help everyone else succeed. That's what it's all about. So let's have a look at those results. First of all, let's have a look at what we were looking at today. There was quite a few events, European holiday across, so there was a lot of movement, some of it good, some of it bad in terms of what we could do in terms of using it. The GBP results, although predominantly positive, didn't really do much for it at all. It has started picking up now, but nothing we could trade on this morning. And then this afternoon, the USD figures, very good results for the States. Of course, today was a free signals day, so I did send all of my signals out on Twitter, on our Facebook feeds, and of course in the free chat arena as well. So all our signals went out in here as well. So you're able to capitalize if you were already subscribed or part of the free chat arena. You would have got those signals as well. Okay, so an okay day. I mean, not much to say about the results. I'll go on to what we were looking at in terms of the charts. Gold, of course, always on the picture. The Dixie we've been watching, this has been going up really strong today. Look at that. It's broken through this this trend line, this daily trend line here. And when it does that, of course, we're able to capitalize. We did do that. The USD JPY still yet to pick up. The yen's been really strong today, but I've got an open trade on this in that direction now. Then the other ones, this GBP AUD is open at the moment. I'll show you it in a second. But this is a very good opportunity. If you're in a position where you can place a trade at the moment, I'd still take this. It's a GBP AUD sell, and I think it will go all the way down here. This is an hourly chart, so there's a lot of movement still to go on that. USD CHF, we had a look at earlier. I think it's breaking back up past this trend line now in favour of the US dollar, which is continuing to be very strong after those results. And there were lots of other opportunities. USD Canadian yesterday, if we show you on a hourly chart, moving a lot. Some of the guys in the trading arena taking advantage of that movement as well. Top tip, if you've got TradingView, use this Forex screener. It tells you what's high and low for the month. It really helps you to focus your attention on what to look at, because the markets can be overwhelming otherwise. So, keeping it fairly brief in terms of what we were looking at overall. I was looking at a lot more earlier, a lot of euro pairings and pound pairings. End result is this. Oh, where's my MT4? Oh, it's over here. End results were these. So here's my MT4, and these were the results for today. I have still got a couple of trades open, as I said. Let me just open that up. A couple of trades open there. USD JPY trade did drop away somewhat to start with. And if you watched my video yesterday, you would have seen that my account was sitting at around 3,500, I think, after I'd done a withdrawal and lost a couple of grand. So, I lost about 3 grand yesterday, in fact. But you can see it's right back up there again. So it doesn't take long to build it back up if you're placing the right trades. Then you can see here, apart from the USD trade, we've got a gold trade, gold sell trade, this GBP AUD, which I just mentioned, which is already $300 to the good, and that's going to carry on going. We'll see some really good profit from that. Account history, so these are today's trades, and the only one, I think the only one that is in minus at the moment, apart from the live one, was this one here, which was a GBP JPY, in fact. And yeah, expected the pound to start gaining. In fact, the yen got stronger, but apart from that, you can see really good money made. 400, 800, 300, nearly 100 there as well. And if you add that to these existing trades, we're going to be right up there. I expect this to put us up 7,000-8,000 at least. I would have thought a lot more than that once these finish up. This USD JPY could run for a while. It's in a good position to carry on climbing now. You can see it's got a long way to go. If we look at it on H4, I think it will go right up here. So that's where my take profit level is, right up there. So that would be the profit if it does get there, $4,800 US. And I do expect it to get there. I think it will follow this path. It will take off once it gets above or back to my entry point, in fact. So good opportunity there. So what are you waiting for? £249 will get you this for 3 months. We're making these sort of profits every single day. Odd bad day, of course, don't get me wrong, but we are generally making very good profits. It certainly averages out more than 1,000 a day easily. So for an investment of £249 plus VAT, you get 3 months. The dedicated signals channel, the exclusive trading arena, one-on-one support with myself, and the course which will get you to the level that you want to get to when you're starting out. Okay, another good day. I'll have to stop making these videos soon because we'll have a full trading arena, but while there's still space, I do suggest you get involved. And if you're the right mentality for this, then we can get you to a point where it's really working for you. You can make a full-time, a very healthy full-time income from this, no problem at all. You just have to have the right dedication, the right mindset, and we'll help you do the rest, no problem at all. And a little bit of money as well. You do need some capital. All right, thanks. Have a good evening. Enjoy whatever you do, and I'll see you again tomorrow.